Lewis.
Likewise. So excited. Ciao. Grazie. It's Christmas still?
Exactly.
Forza Ferrari!
Are you hiding or are you coming out? I've been waiting for this day forever, so I'm really happy. I'm excited to meet everybody. Can't wait to start and get going. Grazie. You guys have a cool office with all the bits. And, yeah. You guys have all the helmets.
Yeah.
Have you seen the helmet? My helmet?
Yep. Yeah, it's looking.
You like it?
Yep.
And the desk, it's got a big the chair. Cheers, guys. Ciao, ciao. Wow, this is just.
Your culture.
This is the one.
I'm absolutely in line with you. You mean?
This is the one.
Ci vediamo? Alla prossima. Ciao. Ciao, buona giornata.
Buona giornata.
Ah, Lewis.
Looking good.
Looks good, no? First time in red. Ciao. Feels good.
Yeah. Look good in red, Lewis.
Yeah, thanks.
That's great.
That's so sick.
That's like this stuff.
Buongiorno. Alright. Second day in a suit.
Buongiorno.
Come stai? Bene tu? Bene, molto bene. I can't believe it. Awesome. Ay, ay, ay. So I ran this track. I did 3 laps yesterday in the morning.
How was it?
It was great.
How much did you run?
I did 3 laps, so 6.2 miles. Yeah. I've seen photos of this when I was running down with the hairpin over there, and I was looking back over here. And I was like, oh my god! Like, it was like hit me in waves. It's been such a dream to come here and have this experience. It's amazing to have got my parents here, my dad and my two moms, and yeah, it's been a long way. I feel like it's the first day of work, my first day of school.
The ignition on. Wow, that was amazing. Wow.